Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Getting a module not found error in VS Code when running Python. Let's fix it fast so your code is run smoothly. First of all, open the VS Code. Then open the command palette. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette in Windows and type here Python and select interpreter. As you can see here, the interpreter. Then choose the correct environment where your module is installed. Then install the module. Open the terminal in VS Code. Then open the terminal in VS Code. Then in bash, in the shell, you need to use bash. Here, open the terminal in VS Code and run pip install and use the module name and hit enter. After that, replace and use the correct environment. If you are using a virtual environment, make sure VS Code terminal is using the same Python environment. Then activate it with, you can activate with this in Windows /./vnv/script/activate. In Mac /Linux source vnv/bin/activate. Then step 4 is to restart the VS Code. Sometimes VS Code need a restart to recognize newly installed module. And verify the installation. In the terminal, run Python -m pip show module name. Show and you can enter the module name and simply hit enter. This confirms the module is installed in the correct environment. And that's it, no more module not found error in VS Code. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below which module gave you trouble. Happy coding!